In this tutorial I will show you how to make a fluffy winter hat. It's a very simple pattern, but the yarn can be challenging to work with, but I think it's really worth the effort. This crochet pattern is available in 3 sizes, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make the toddler version, but you can find the tween and adult version on my website. You can find the link in the description. For this hat you will need fluffy yarn, and I use the color pink. And you will need some leftover yarns for the brim. This can be any yarn, just make sure it matches with the color of your fluffy yarn. You will need crochet hook 12mm for the fluffy part and 4.5mm for the brim. We will start with a slip knot and chain 22. Now we will make 1 single crochet stitch in every chain, and we will use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. This way you will know where you will end and start a new round. Round 2 till 9 we will work 1 single crochet stitch in every single crochet stitch. And I advise you to keep using the stitch marker, because this way you will know if you made a mistake or not. I will see you at the end of round 9. Now it's time to start working on the brim. Now you will need your crochet hook 4.5mm and some normal yarn that matches the color of your fluffy yarn. In the first round we will make 2 single crochet stitches in every stitch. In the second round we will make 1 double crochet stitch in every single crochet stitch. Round 3 till 5 we will make 1 front post double crochet stitch in every stitch. And finally in round 6 we will make 1 single crochet stitch in every stitch. So to finish off the head, we will use a needle and weave yarn through all the stitches of the first round. Pull tight and weave in the ends. Now you can use yarn or a hair tie to make the pom-pom. Just fold it around the third row and pull tight. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and comment below and subscribe to my channel. It's free and this way you will get notifications when I upload new patterns. Hope to see you next time. Bye!